Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Thinking about investing? Fidelity is an excellent platform, known for its wide range of investment options and user-friendly tools. Many people find it a great place to start their financial journey. Opening a brokerage account, there is a straightforward process, and we'll walk through it together right now, making it easy for you to get started with your investments. Before you begin, gather a few key items. You'll need your basic personal information, including your full name and address. Make sure to have your social security number handy, as it's required for tax purposes. Also, having your bank account and routing numbers ready will make the funding process much smoother later on. This quick preparation saves time. The application process is mostly online and very intuitive. Head over to fidelity.com and look for the Open an Account button, usually prominent on the home page. You'll then select the type of brokerage account you want and start filling in your personal and financial information. Just follow the clear, step-by-step instructions provided on each screen. It guides you right through. Once your account is open, the next step is funding it. The easiest way is usually to link your bank account directly within Fidelity's platform. You can then initiate an electronic funds transfer, also known as an ACH transfer, which typically takes a few business days to clear. Other options, like direct deposit from your paycheck or a wire transfer, are also available for your convenience. It's quite flexible. With your account open and funded, you're ready to explore. Take some time to browse Fidelity's extensive research tools and educational resources. They are incredibly helpful. You can start researching various investment options, like stocks, ETF, or mutual funds, deciding what aligns with your financial goals. Congratulations, you've taken a significant step toward managing your financial future. Now, the real fun begins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.